Man and moose have been at it a long while in Newfoundland. Hell, moose scared off the wimpish Vikings. Now, if it's real cutting-edge law and politics you want, forget the Supreme Court and Mr. Harper, head to Newfoundland. Because there we have a first in the legal logbook, the first interspecies class lawsuit that pits the marauding swamp hulk against innocent mankind. It's man against moose, tourists included. A number of Newfoundlanders have filed against their brethren in fur and antlers, the great Newfoundland marsh malingering moose, as being a peril to life and limb, due to the moose's unfortunate habit of treating the Trans-Canada Highway and every byroad to the outports as a sleeping ground or a mass transit point. I sense future lines of court argument. The moose will argue no jurisdiction, that the aforesaid moose ages ago were introduced to Newfoundland. I think it was to control the rabbit traffic, which was getting out of hand. And any claim against them, it then should go to the importers and their heirs. If the moose are jamming up Newfoundland highways, then it is not the moose's fault. However, the main highways in Newfoundland some days resemble an African waterhole lost in a North Atlantic fog bank. Moose are as thick as the brush and the fog they inevitably emerge from in mid-twilight or early dawn to startle, or worse, the surprised tourist or complacent carbonaire homie. At points along the Great Northern Peninsula Highway, the ambushing moose are so thick you would expect David Attenborough to jump out of the alders and whisper something in his wonderfully plummy accent about global warming into your ear. Down the southern shore, on the Cape Shore, the Gander Highway, everywhere, it's moose as far as the eye can see. It's moose all the way down. We Newfoundlanders lure tourists with some of the slickest ads about a real down-home place as have ever been made. But underneath the clotheslines of those ads, on the view over the cliff, or in the shot of the pretty colored houses, here's my question. Do you see any moose? Where are the moose? Lovely shots of downtown St. John's or Bonavista, but there's no moose. That's like the shot of downtown Toronto where cars are actually moving. That shot doesn't exist. Same for the absent moose. What's odd, however, isn't funny. It's not a joke when these failed dinosaurs heave themselves from the bushes on the side of the road in thick fog and into oncoming traffic. Bus, truck, car, life and limb, when they meet, it's never a good moment. What may once have been rare is very unhappily commonplace. Trans-Canada Highway home is either that, a highway, or a nature preserve. It can't be both. Man and moose, even in Newfoundland, have to be part of it. For The National, I'm Rex Murphy.